display in this match will be unlike anything we've seen in quite some time. This is a one-on-one matchup, and I don't think I have to remind anyone what's on the line here.
Yeah, and social media has been on fire ahead of this one. But now it's time to get down to business. Let's do this. But hey, there hasn't been a time that I've sat in this chair and not been excited. So I guess I'm a little biased.
A knockdown, drag-out brawl, complete with a big stomp.
And these guys are throwing bombs. They're pulling out all the stops.
Looks like he's starting to sweat now. With these two guys, we all knew this was going to be an all-out battle.
And at this point, it looks to me like
he's doing everything he can to get his bearings back here. Otherwise, this match could be over sooner than anyone could have anticipated.
Yeah, Cole, this is when you have to settle things down. Get the blood flowing back in your body and strategize what your next move or your next form of attack will be.
Cover here. 1, 2, 3. He did what he set out to do, and that was win.
In here, Alexander. You wanted to see me, boss? As a matter of fact, I did. What you did to Batista out there was unforgivable. You brutalized the poor man. I mean, I know he's a wrestler, but that was too much. One of the shortest matches in WWE history, even XCW history. Now, I know we've only just started, and I know this is an independent company alongside WWE, but you did not need to do what you just did. You brutalized him. I'm not afraid of you. But if you keep doing that, you're fired. You have my word on that. No need to get hasty now, though. No need to get...
If he keeps this up, this could be over quick. And there's another smack.
I don't think there's any lengths that these superstars won't go to achieve victory here tonight.
Fine. As you wish. Austin Alexander. You're fired. Really? I'm fired? Well, I guess I don't feel bad about what I'm supposed to do now. We both know how this ends.